In this video, I'll show you how to get an AnyDesk license key the right way by purchasing a plan and then finding your key inside your AnyDesk account. This is the safest and most reliable method, and it makes sure you're using the official license tied to your account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Just make sure your internet connection is stable so the pages load properly and the checkout process goes smoothly. Next, go to the official AnyDesk website. Once the homepage loads completely, look toward the top right corner of the page and click Buy Now. This will take you to the pricing and license selection area. Now, you'll see the available license plans. Take a moment to review the options carefully. Compare the features, the number of users allowed, and the pricing for each plan. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. After selecting the plan you want, click Order Now to continue. On the next screen, click Next to proceed to checkout. You'll then be asked to enter your email address. Type it in carefully because this is important for your purchase confirmation and account access. Then check the I accept box to agree to the terms and conditions and click Next again. Now it's time to enter your information. Fill in the required details, including your name, email address, company name if applicable, and your billing information. Take your time here and double check everything for accuracy. A small typo in your email or billing details can cause problems later, so it's worth reviewing before moving on. Once everything looks correct, click Next. After that, you'll reach the payment section. Select your preferred payment method and enter the required payment information. Before you finalize anything, review your order summary one more time. Make sure the plan, billing details, and payment details are all correct. When you're ready, click Pay Now to complete the purchase. Once your purchase is complete, the next step is to find your license key. Open a new browser tab and go to my.anydesk.com/v2. Log in using the same account you used during the purchase. This is important because your license will be tied to that account. After you sign in, click on the license section. Here, you'll be able to see your AnyDesk license key. You can copy it, save it, and use it for activation or account management as needed. And that's it. You now know how to get an AnyDesk license key by purchasing the correct plan and locating the key inside your account dashboard. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.